For some reason, when I made this video, it did not record right. So I'm going to just be highlighting things that I said from the last video. All the slides are already prepared. I'm looking at the chapter 1 through 3 final exam review, the first page. I want to remind you that on the numbers 1 and 2, if you look at this, just be really clear that you need to distribute first and then evaluate. And evaluate means plug things in. And make sure you put parentheses around your variable when you do plug things in. On numbers 3 through 6, I started right here. Oops, let me move this over. Sorry. Oh, no. I'll take it away. Here's our original equation. I want to highlight. I'm going to change the color on this. Give me a second. Okay, here we go. I want to highlight then that I broke it up into two equations. 5 plus 2k is equal to 9, and 5 plus 2k is equal to negative 9. We always do that with absolute value. I then solve for k for both of them, and I get a final answer of k is equal to 2, and k is equal to negative 7. On number 8, I want to just remind you that before you start the problem, and here's the original problem, you need to get this plus 3 over to the other side by the 9. So that's why I subtracted 3 here to both sides. And then I got 2x, the absolute value of 2x is equal to 6. You then break it up into 2x is equal to 6 and 2x is equal to negative 6. On number 9, I just showed a basic, hey, we need to solve this problem. Here's the original problem. We need to get our x's together. So I subtracted x over here. That cancels and brought it over here. Once I did that, I got 3x plus 11 is less than negative 1. I subtracted 11 right here, and then I did it to the other side to get 3x is less than negative 12. Once I did that, I solved, but I got to this step here. I solved by dividing by 3 and dividing by 3 here. I got x is less than negative 4 and an open circle shading to the left. I reminded you that when we have a less than right here or greater than, it's an open circle. And then when we have a greater than or less than, less than or equal to and a greater than or equal to, it's a closed circle. Finally, I wanted to remind you on number 10, you do need to flip the sign because you are multiplying or dividing by a negative. And that's all I have for the first page.